Hi, my name is Dillon Rice. Me and my wife are owner and operators here at Bruce's Body Shop in Paris, Tennessee. Bruce's Body Shop has been open since 1980s. I came to work for the original owner back in 2009-ish. Ended up purchasing the shop in about 2019, me and my wife. So we've been here the whole entire time. After we purchased the shop, we saw the need to update some of the equipment because automotive repairs have completely changed. So we started looking at the equipment we had and noticed that the repairs are completely different than from the 80s. So we started looking at equipment to purchase and buy, and we started buying some things. We've had a ton of salespeople come in. When Alan walked in with Lombard, I thought he was your typical salesman that I would buy a welder and never hear from him again. But we started talking to him. Seemed like a great guy, so he showed me some stuff on his truck that he had and brought it off, and even let my guys try some stuff out and see if it was a good fit for us. Here at Bruce's, we're expanding, we're growing every day. We're building a new 5,000 square foot facility out back, and when I need new equipment to fill that building, I'm gonna call Lombard. Alan, I know, will set us up whatever we need.